G'day, I'm Rick Kelly. Now we all know there's nothing more annoying than a small dent or scratch on your car. Today in our Septone DIY series, we'll take a closer look of how to get rid of those annoying little marks. Here's exactly what you'll need. Wax and grease remover, car filler, primer filler, plastic mixing applicator, sanding block, sandpaper 40 to 60 grit, sandpaper 180 to 240 grit, sandpaper 800 and 2000 grit wet and dry, masking tape and newspaper. Remove any paint from the repair area and surrounding area by roughly 50 millimeters using either a grinder or by hand with 40 to 60 grit sandpaper. Sand area to bare metal. Clean the area with Septone wax and grease remover with a lint-free cloth. Place the required amount of car filler onto a mixing board, something like an old ice cream container lid. Do not use cardboard. Knead the tube of hardener well to ensure that the contents is fully mixed. Then add the hardener to the car filler at a ratio of 1 part hardener to 50 parts body filler by piping out a diagonal line across the body filler. Mix well with your plastic applicator to ensure a consistent colour is visible before proceeding. It's important to mix these products well. Apply a thin layer of filler to the repair surface using firm pressure on the applicator to force the filler into all crevices and eliminate any air pockets. Gradually apply the remaining filler until it's slightly higher than the edge of the repair. Correctly mixed car filler is cured in 20 to 30 minutes and is then ready for sanding. Once the mixture is fully cured, sand with 80 grit paper until the body filler is level with the surrounding panel. Feather the edges of the filler with 180 to 240 grit paper to achieve a smooth finish in preparation for primer. Swap between sandpaper grits if required when feathering edges. Feel the surface as you sand it to ensure the repair is smooth. If necessary, you can reapply car filler if further filling is required or if you notice pinholes. Allow to dry and resand area again with 180 to 240 grit paper. You have now repaired the dent and you're now ready for the paint repair stage. Clean sanded area with Septone wax and grease remover. Mask off the repair area in preparation for the primer coat. Apply Septone primer filler. Shake can vigorously for 5 minutes to ensure that the product is ready. Spray 3 to 4 coats over the repaired area and up to 50 millimeters onto the existing painted area. Leave for 5 minutes dry time in between each coat. For best results after the final coat, leave to dry for 4 hours or overnight. Remove paper and masking tape. Sand with 800 grit wet and dry paper to remove imperfections and sandpaper scratches from the repair process. Followed by a second sand with 2000 grit wet and dry sandpaper. Ensure that you feather the edges with 2000 grit sandpaper. Use Septone wax and grease remover to clean the repair area. Your repair area is now ready for application of a coloured base coat. Select the base coat colour matched to your original vehicle paint coat and apply as directed on the back of the can.